Yo, what's going on, my people? So we've been holding this trade for 4 hours, and finally it hits our TP with over 440 pips of profits. And in today's video, guys, I want to show you how important is the risk to reward ratio and patience in the forex market, guys. So as you can see now, today we actually took two trades, right? Because I do trade two sessions, pre-London session and the New York session. So in the pre-London session, we take one attempt. If we lose the first trade, we take another one, the second one. And if we lose both, we are done for the session. And that's the rule that I do have for trading, guys. Now, as you can see, let me just go or walk you through what we did today. Today we actually took two trades, right? This was the first trade here. This is today, right? This was the first trade I actually sent sell in a VIP group, and then the market actually went all the way down and it dropped 200 pips, but it didn't go to our take profits, right? And we was already in a profit of 1,000 2,000 USD. And guess what happened, guys? The market went all the way up and hit the take profit again. I know some of you might be wondering like, hey bro, why you didn't move the stop loss at the break even, right? Or why you didn't lock some profits? You understand? I understand, guys, but if I do that, I'm actually gonna be killing my risk to reward ratio. I want to know how many trades I'm gonna lose and how many trades I'm gonna win. With a 1:3, I only need the 3 winning trades to actually be profitable out of 10 trades, yeah? And my strategy is actually 70% winning rate. So I don't have to move the stop loss at the break even or move with emotions while my strategy is good and my risk to reward ratio is 1:3. And that's the first one. We actually lose that trade, and then we actually see a beautiful buy on gold again like a few minutes later, and then I actually send a signal of buying, and as you can see the market start going up crazy, and eventually, guys, as you can see, we actually been holding it for 4 hours, and it's now hit the take profit of how much of 440 pips. So now, as you can see here, we are just end the day with the one loss and one profit, right? One loss, we actually lost 160 pips, and the second, which one, the one we win, we actually win 440 pips. So we in total we end the day with a massive profits, guys, and that's how powerful is risk to reward ratio. And all these signals are sent in a VIP group. So if you can scroll back, and like yesterday we actually killed it, we've been killing yesterday, we didn't lose anything, and that's what we always do, guys. So if you are not in this VIP group, you are missing out a lot, guys. So now let's just go back to this actual trade here. As you can see, this trade here, we actually took it towards here. Let me just show you. Here's where we took this trade, right? It was here by the time there, and then you can actually see how the market it went, right? That's how you need to be more patient if you wanna achieve a good risk to reward ratio. You need to be patient, guys. Now I can tell, look how the market went. Let's just replay it so that you can see for yourself what the market did, right? um Let me just I'm gonna replay it so that you can see. Start a new replay. We're gonna start from where we took a trade. We actually took a trade. It was here, you know now let's replay and see what happened. you know Boom, you see, the market went all the way up, right? Went straight up and in the middle of our take profits. You understand? So some of you guys, you might be like, hey bro, that's the time you should have at least closed half of the profits, or maybe move your stop loss at the BE. Now I'm going to explain to you the reason why I don't even do that. Boom. The market went all the way down. You see? Boom. And now you can all see that the market went at the BE, right? This is your BE right here. That's your break even, right? And now, if I should have like put my stop loss there. Guess what was going to happen? I was gonna lose. And remember, I already lost the first trade in the morning. I let that trade go up and come back down. Why would I just be tripping over this one now? You know, that's just don't show if someone is disciplined. If I should have removed my take profit at my stop loss at the BE, that was gonna be like I was just gonna be killing my other guys, you know. That's why I just had to let it go. And guess what happened next? Guess what happened? The market kept going like that, you know. I just put my stop loss and I take profit and just let it play it out. And this was I was actually holding for 4 hours. 4 hours, guys. Yeah. Okay, you see, the trader won't even get closer to take profits. So for those who are asking like, hey bro, why you didn't close immediately? Okay, I also thought of closing there, but that was so fast. It happened so fast. By the time the market went up and it dropped again, and I was like, all right, so let me just let it be, you know. The market was misbehaving. We're just gonna let it misbehave, right? We know where to catch it. We know our patience is gonna catch up with the market. So as you can see, the market went start going down. It was a lot, guys. It doesn't always it doesn't all happen like this all the time. So if you're in a VIP group, then you know the market sometimes will always just go straight and hit or take profits, you know. But today, it's one of those days, guys. The market was just like misbehaving. So as you can see, eventually the market went up and it hit our take profit. Oh my God. That was so amazing, guys. That was so amazing. That trade was mind blowing, guys. I had to post it on my Instagram story and I had to post it in a free Telegram group for people to see. So that's exactly what we're doing in a VIP group, guys. If you're not in a VIP group, trust me, you are missing out a lot because we are killing it back to back. And this is just the beginning. Like I said, this 2026, gold is gonna make a lot of people millionaire. And guess what? As me, king of gold himself, guys, I already approved that. Already, everybody in the VIP group is coming out millionaires. That's the plan for 2026. So, and guess what? After that, gold start going up. You know, gold went crazy up. Till now, I guess he's still going up, I guess. So, and this is exactly what I predicted yesterday in a VIP group. I told them gold might now start going up because yesterday we saw actually a week, right? You see, it dropped and then it actually came in a week. As you can see, even now gold is still going up, guys. And after hitting our take profits, gold went up more than another 700 pips. So we caught to 440 pips, but it went another 700 pips. So that means it's still a lot, guys. But guess what? We respect our plan. We already got to what we wanted. We're out, and now we are waiting for New York session. You know, and we're gonna trade again later during New York session, guys. I am a retail trader, and I'm not leaving anything in the market, right? I'm only trading my plan and I'm active. The whole 2026, guys, we are active. So make sure that you like, comment, and let me know what your thought on gold. But what I know, gold now is going up, baby. Now we are going with it. You know what I'm saying? We are going with it. Yes, sir. Stop playing, man. That's the end of this video and I will see you again on the next video. Matter of fact, I will see you in the VIP group. Oh, join the free Telegram group. The link will be down below in the description. Join the free Telegram group. The link is down below. And when you're in the free Telegram group, you're gonna see the pinned message. You join the VIP. You're gonna see the how to join. Right? It's very simple. I made everything clear for everyone to join. Right? There's no complications whatsoever. I will see you there. Bye.